Hi everyone, it's Heidi with WTI, and this Step 2 All Around Wagon for Kids has been so good to have when we go places and have the kids with us. It is so convenient and helpful to be able to pull them around. And the nice part about this is you can fit 2 children with seat belts. And there are so many excellent features, such as a comfortable handle for the person who's pulling them. You can fold the seats down to make it a flatbed on the inside. There are cup holders, snack holders. There's a door on the side for them to get in and out of. And there's even a compartment in the back to hold the essentials: sunscreen, change of clothes, diapers, things like that. And the wheels are pretty impressive. And I've used it on grass. We've used it to go to the park. We've used it on the boardwalk at the beach. This Step 2 All Around Wagon for Kids has been a game changer in our family. It's just so many places that you can take this, and it's going to make life a lot easier. And that's my point of view.